Guys, this is Jojo. Welcome to TechDawn. Today we're going to see a simple trick to use sequence in Excel sheet. There are a number of ways to do this sequence, and the first thing we'll go with the traditional way of doing the sequence. Enter the number in the first column, 1, 2, select both and increment. This is one way. If you want to increment the value between two values, let's say it should increment 5, so click both, then click drag down. You'll see an increment value between two values. And the last thing, we'll go with the sequence formula in Excel sheet. To get the sequence formula, just put an equal and then start with yes. You'll see a formula sequence where it's the first argument is rows and other arguments are optionals. We'll see in later session. Let's say if you want 50 rows, just put 50, close the brace, click, it goes to 50. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.